And good evening, YouTubers. Right then, all these videos that are going about on the internet and all over YouTube about this free energy, all done by water because of the pressure. Now, this is the water wheel, supposed to have a wheel. I'm not going to mess about with that because it's got no to do with the physics behind this. So, I've replicated one. I put the little straw in the bottom, put the glue on it, put the tube down on it. It then sits in the tub, the water. You fill it up with water. And what's supposed to happen is, as it comes out, it's supposed to cause a suction and suck water back up and come back into the bottle. So we're going to put it to the test to see if they're telling the truth or not. So nobody's done one yet. So I wanted to show you that it's all fake and a gimmick. Now, if this could work, we'll all be living on free energy. We'd all have these in our backyards. Do you know what I mean? Living on free energy. So, let's see how it goes. Like I say in the video, I'm not messing about putting all the daft music on and all that lot, you know, doodly-diddly-dee. I'm just going to get straight to the point, get on with it, no messing about, because we all know the YouTube people can't sit there for about 20 minutes and watch a video. So, let's get on with it. See you in a minute. Bye.